How to remove an Instagram account from account list. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Instagram application on a device and make sure you're logged into your account. And as you're logged into your account, tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner of the screen over here and simply scroll down to tap on the option of logout. So as you tap on logout, just tap on logout of all your accounts, and as it logs you out, you just have to wait for a few seconds until it loads the page over here. So make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. Now as you log out of the account over here, what you can simply do is you'll be able to see the new page where you'll be able to see all the accounts that you have on your Instagram account. So if you want to remove particular Instagram account, simply tap on the three dotted lines at the top right corner. Simply select on remove profiles from this device, and now you can select any of this profile over here. Tap on remove, and there you go. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.